In this tutorial, we're going to be going over how to use ElevenLabs with ChatGPT. So you want to go log into ChatGPT and search for the ElevenLabs GPT, which is going to be this ElevenLabs text-to-speech. And then once you have that installed, you want to click Start Chat. Now, let's just say, hi, my name is Tom. And then it's going to prompt us what voice we want to use. So for this example, we'll just do a simple male narrator, which is option 2, hit enter. And now it's going to convert whatever we type now into a AI voice. So, hi, my name is Tom, and that's what we want text to speech. And then we will click confirm that we want this to occur. And then here it does have our AI generated audio that we can
Hi, my name is Tom.
listen to.
Hi, my name is Tom.